My nigga Jake Paul! Yo, we just found my nigga Jake Paul.
You already know what time it is. It's Jake Paul. Listen, guys, today we're gonna go to Japan to the Suicide Forest.
We're gonna kill it.
Wait, yo, I say swagger, drip set, I drip on a bitch.
We just linked up here. Everyone's teed out outside of the Taco Bell. We're about to head down to Miami for the Glokknine show. There's gonna be Matt Fuze performing. It's gonna be Splash Zanotti performing. It's gonna be fucking someone whose name begins with Lil performing. It's gonna be dumb lit. And once again, we need to tell y'all the MVP right here, my nigga Fred, for saving me every fucking time I have an event to vlog. Oh my god, yo, this is Blur Nigga. They don't even know. Y'all gonna find out about Blur Nigga. I still am editing it because like I have to do a lot of audio and stuff. Okay. So like, but yeah, we gon' next time we back, it's gonna be some fucking fire shit.
Hell no, I ain't coolin'.
What's the name of the venue?
I have no idea.
Alright, so we fucking out here. We just put up to District 3. I'm here with Matt Fuze, right?
Yay!
And why you here? Why you here, bro?
Hey man, we got Glokknine in this bitch. We about to open up FGC in this bitch. Shouts out Ralph, he in this bitch turning up with us.
And you performing tonight, right?
Yeah.
We about to see you perform.
That's why we here. We about to kill
crazy.
shit.
Right?
We about
That's
to kill
pretty fire,
shit.
right? You feel me? So it's very interesting. We're gonna see a lot of dope shit tonight.
Put my little bitch in Chanel. She in love with designer. She just want a new bag, YSL. She be fucking with a nigga for designer. I just
Yo, hey, Lord. Woo! That shit make me feel like I was in Brazil, bitch. Yo, I just had to hit a smoking strong. If that's your bitch in a V long thong, ayy. If I tell her that I love her, am I wrong, yo? NASCAR Raiders coming two-tone, yo. NASCAR superstar, NASCAR superstar, NASCAR superstar, NASCAR superstar. Fuck your bitch in supercars, NASCAR superstar, NASCAR superstar, NASCAR superstar.
What up, bitch? It's Splash Zanotti, and I'm about to pull up to this Glokknine show. We about to shut this shit down, bitch. I done run a whole organization out, bitch. You already know what the fuck time it is, man. Slap all my slimes in the building, man.
Pussy wet, water splash. Pussy wet, water splash. Pussy wet,
Literally.
water splash.
Hey, mix of the water, the sugar, the Kool-Aid, and that shit'll give me the juice. He started splaying, I tell him it's too late, my nigga, I'm ready to shoot. Leave a little nigga on mute, and I do this shit in front of his crew. You know I'm rapping so woo. Switch on the game, nigga refuse. Come in this bitch with adrenaline. Ay. Want me to hit, I need settlement. Ay. Whipping the white Kevin Federline. Ay. With the water, I'm a veteran. Ay.
If Drew didn't film it, then it ain't filmed right.
you know, I fuck with Kodak. Y'all gotta chill, boy. Y'all taking that shit to a whole nother level. Tell you, boy. Alright, look. Talking about the next Kodak, I wanna be Glokknine. Talking about this dumb sack dressing black, oh, we gon' blitz right now, yo. And yes, I love the boy, the jet take sack, so I about to skate right now. Holding on the weapons, 30 in the cut. He got a Glock 4-5, yo. Talking about the next Kodak, I wanna be Glokknine, yo. Talking about this dumb sack dressing black, oh, we gon' blitz right now. And yes, I love the boy, the jet take sack, so I about to skate right now. Holding on the weapons, 30 in the cut. And he got a Glock 4-5, yo.
Hey guys, I am no longer at the Glokknine show. Obviously, I am at the ytdesi household. I realized while I was editing, I didn't get a lot of footage of me even explaining the event or anything. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. We chilled, we got lit with everyone. We were balling out in the whole VIP section thing. I didn't even get much footage of that. Had a good ass time with everyone. There was a small issue with security or whatever, but that's fine. Sometimes, you know, people don't know who people are. It's okay. And shout out to Who Is Incredible for the outro, and another huge shout out again to the homie Fred. Follow both of them niggas. Peace.